how much should you actually spend on a Kabuki brush? Because people rave about the budget options, but then return the pricey ones. It's a bit puzzling, right? Let's break down the top 5 Kabuki brushes to see which one is actually worth your money.
Product number 1, Kashima Flat Top Kabuki Brush. The Flat Top Kabuki Foundation Brush by Kashima. This brush really caught my eye with its 1.2-inch top diameter and premium feel. If you want a brush that blends liquid, cream, and powder flawlessly, this is worth a serious look. The flat top design is perfect for buffing and blending, which means you can achieve that airbrushed look we all crave. Plus, it's ideal for different makeup types, whether you're using a foundation or a setting powder. With over 10,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people mention that the bristles feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, once you break it in, it becomes incredibly soft and effective. So, if you're patient, you'll end up with a fantastic tool. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile brush that handles various products well. Skip this one if you prefer a brush that's soft from the start. It offers great value for your money given its popularity.
Product number 2, Laura Geller Retractable Angled Kabuki Brush. The Laura Geller New York Cosmetic Professional Makeup Brushes, the cruelty-free 02 Retractable Angled Kabuki Brush. The retractable design really caught my attention. It's such a neat feature for on-the-go makeup lovers. If you're constantly traveling or just want to keep your brush clean, this is a solid option. The angled bristles allow for precise application, especially around the nose and eyes. It gives you control while applying your foundation, ensuring you're not wasting any product. Plus, being cruelty-free means you can feel good about your purchase. With over 10,000 sold recently, it's popular for a reason. However, a few users found the brush a bit pricey for what it is. But honestly, the convenience of retractability and the quality you get justifies the cost for many. If you travel a lot or need a brush that's easy to store, this is perfect for you. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, but it's worth the investment for frequent flyers.
Product number 3, Extra Large Body Makeup Brush. The third pick is the Extra Large Body Makeup Brush. This one's designed for self-tanner and bronzer, with a 75mm wide head that truly stands out. If you're looking for a way to apply body makeup evenly, this brush is a must consider. The size means you can cover large areas quickly, which is a game changer when you're in a hurry. Its oval shape helps blend seamlessly, avoiding those dreaded streaks. With 5,000 sold last month, it's gaining traction among those who love self-tanning. But here's a heads up, some users felt it was too big for their liking, especially for smaller areas. But if you want fast, even coverage on larger sections, this is still a fantastic tool. This is perfect for those who often use bronzers or self-tanners. Skip this if you prefer a smaller brush for detailed work, but for the price, it's a solid buy for body makeup users.
Product number 4, Laura Geller Retractable Airbrush Kabuki Brush. Let's talk about the Laura Geller New York Cruelty-Free 01 Retractable Airbrush Kabuki Brush. This one has a sleek retractable design just like the previous Laura Geller brush, but offers a fluffier, airbrush-like finish. If you want that blurred, soft focus look, you'll want to pay attention. The difference here is really in the bristles. They're designed to mimic airbrush techniques, which means your foundation looks natural and seamless. Users love how easy it is to use, and with 5,000 sold, it seems to resonate well with makeup lovers. However, some reviews noted that it may not pick up enough product for heavier foundations. But here's the thing, if you're after a light, buildable coverage, this brush shines. This is perfect if you want a soft finish and don't mind a lighter application. Skip it if you need full coverage right away, but it's solid for everyday looks.
Product number 5, Blend and Blur Extra Large Body Makeup Brush. This one is also focused on self-tanner and bronzer application with a whopping 3.2-inch wide round head. If you want to cover large areas fast, this brush is a great option. The drawstring bag it comes with adds value, making it easy to keep clean and store. Users rave about how it blends products beautifully, providing a natural finish without streaks. With over 4,000 sold recently, it's clearly getting attention. That said, some users felt it was too big for smaller areas, which could be a downside. But if you're all about efficiency and quick application, this is a fantastic tool. This is perfect for anyone who does a lot of body makeup. Skip this if you need precision in smaller areas, but the value for money with the included bag is hard to beat.
So there you have it. The Kashima flat top brush is great for versatility, while the Laura Geller brushes offer travel-friendly options. The extra large body makeup brush speeds up application, and the blend and blur brush is perfect for those who love quick, natural finishes. Each brush has its strengths, so consider your specific needs before making a choice.